airport.
Actually, it's a very risky job. Yung stress factor namin, napakataas compared to other individual people.
Captain, where's your spin line?
I am Captain Arnold Dabadan and I am the President of the United Harbor Pilot Association of the Philippines. I started my seafaring career at 1994. This is my 4th year as a president of this association, the UPAP, and up till now still a harbor pilot in Catbalogan. Kami po ang harbor pilot, kami yung mga experienced captain that was appointed by PPA to maneuver the ships to the port. It is not just a normal operation like you are parking a car because you are maneuvering a gigantic ships. Wala pong break yan. So it really needs expertise and specialization towards our profession. This will be a historic moment for us and the history of harbor pilot in the Philippines to have the PPA attending with us together how to undock and dock a ship in Port of Manila.
It's a learning experience kasi critical as a regulating agency that we know what they do. So there are a lot of regulations mandating how harbor pilotage is done. It is different if you have a clear knowledge on the steps they do in order to properly assist vessels coming in and coming out. Makikita din natin if further improvements are needed in our procedures.
Pagdating natin sa barko, pilots will going to introduce himself to the master that I am the pilot on board. Then, magkakaroon niya ng master at saka harbor pilot information exchange.
Dito po tayo naka-dock ngayon. Okay? Ang mangyayari, lahat nitong mga plunato mabababaw. So, ang mangyayari, aatras tayo, then iikot tayo pag ganon. Pag ikot natin dyan, i-clear po tayo rito, and then ito po yung channel na sinasabi. Ito yung channel na sinasabi. Ito, parang expressway natin. Hindi siya pwedeng lumabas dito sa labas kasi mababahura yung barko. So, ito lang allotted sa atin yung channel na to para paglabas, and then dito natin imimit yung barko para papasok naman. Okay?
Ready na ba yung makina, lahat-lahat, nabigis na ng equipment. Si pilot din sasabihin din niya ilan ang tugboat na darating. How we're going to maneuver the ship.
Atras kami, tapos iikot tayo pa starboard. Shoot naman tayo. Here sometimes yung agent nagre-request sa amin na isang tugboat. So hindi kami pumapayag kasi with this kind of maneuver, kailangan 2 tugboat talaga rito. Okay? Kasi makikita mo naman to, ang hangin galing sa up, tapos pag nagkamali kami, it will damage the berth and the vessel also kapag nagkamali rito. Yes, and then ready for departure.
For the time. One more time.
Yeah.
Now
Okay. No. Yes. Now time.
Okay.
So we put it. We will do it officially 1820. Okay.
Kasi nakaka-atraka lang dito itong mga middle size lang na mga...
Okay, si Grace Pioneer, paki-standby mo na sa channel 08. So we do the master pilot exchange, Captain. Okay? So, Captain, my name is Captain Espiritu. I sign already. Okay, so do you have about, Captain, we will be using 2 tugs.
Okay, the forward tug will be si Hana.
Okay.
And then the up tug is Amar Uno. Okay, so once the line is clear, I will move the up, lifting the up, and then we will move astern. So after we move astern, Captain, I will be turning to starboard until we are clear here. Okay. So Captain, this is my ticket. This is my ticket. This is for the undocking, and this is for the channeling. So I need your stamp, sign and stamp, and all pages, Captain.
Pag both parties agreed, then we're gonna go into start maneuver.
Stop bow!
Then, ikot yan with the help of the tag.
Okay. Sa channel.
Sir, libre.
Okay, BTMS, pakicheck.
Ito, sir.
Okay, thank you, si Hana.
Lalabas po tayo, dadaan po tayo dyan sa may tinatawag natin na channel.
Midship. Okay, thank you.
Naka-distansya lang. Good evening.
Then, pagdating natin sa labas, bababa tayo sa barko. And after that, we're gonna go into transfer to other vessel. Papasok naman. Kung ano yung berth na inalisan natin, doon din papalit yung papasok na under barko.
Stop engine.
Ganun pa rin kung paano yung procedures na ginawa natin ng una, reversal lang, yun ang procedures gagawin pabalik.
Okay, thank you. Dead slow stern.
Yes, lost sir.
Midship. Midship. Hardport. Hardport. Okay, asehan na para. Okay, uno, hilating. Radio problem. Midship. Midship. Uno, pagka ganyan ka, makakadisgrasya tayo yan.
It is very critical kasi ang barko, wala pong brake ito. So it's about engine control and steering control and tug control. Pag slow ka, tatama ka. Pag fast ka naman, tatama ka din. Kaya dito, very precise yung approach.
It's wrong. Okay, asehan na para. Midship. Midship. Minimum ahead. Okay, asehan na. Push it now. Captain, we go ahead first, okay? Minimum ahead. Captain, it's okay. I'm in non-control, Captain. If we do it like that, we will cause damage. It's very successful kasi kung hindi natin na-control, it can cause damage because of the error ng tugboat. So, na-control natin and then nakita mo naman nakalma si kapitan. Kailangan kalmada lang kasi yung kapitan ng overall in command rito. Pagka na-feel niya may danger, ganun na yung nangyayari talaga. So, yun yung trabaho ng pilot ngayon to control that yung mga action na ganun. Talagang nagkaroon lang ng problem doon sa communication role. Pero overall, yun ang task namin is to safely dock the vessel kahit na magkaroon ng ganon.
If you look at it, one mistake with our maneuvers, biro mo, babanggain mo yung pantalan. Actually, it's a very risky job for us, but awalan Diyos naman, nape-perform namin ng maayos. Dito, in particular, experience talaga. So, hindi lang kailangan, of course, kahit nandyan man palagi yung magaling, wherever we go. Pag hindi ka magaling sa ginagawa mo, then you cannot do the job. Here, hindi lang kailangan galing. Kailangan yung tinatawag natin experience at saka yung team effort. Yan po ang ginagawa namin araw-araw.